everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I will discuss one of my projects about website development for a company that delivers solar installation and reparation services. First, let me tell you about the client's requirement. The client wanted us to build an SEO-friendly, mobile, responsive website. The website should include the following pages: the About Us page, service page, and blog section. In addition, the client wanted us to optimize the website for mobile devices and tablets. Here are the solutions for how we assisted our client with fulfilling their requirements. We developed a full-fledged website on WordPress. We designed all internal pages and created a mobile-friendly website using responsive design tailored to your requirements. Let me show you the demo of WordPress website. So here is the website that is made using an Elementor website builder. We designed different sections and different internal pages using an Elementor website builder. This is the first section where we use the slider for scrolling off the page. This is the second section where we use animation like hover effects all over our website. Again, this is our testimonial action. When you can click on any of these, you will be redirected to the internal pages. Like I clicked on a hybrid battery system, it will redirect me to the internal pages like a hybrid battery system. So coming back to home again, these are their services. Like section, we used gradients, and these gradients are changing on the icon's hover. These are their services: residential, commercial. There are many internal pages in this, like EV car charger, we used a tilt-like effect in this. This background is fixed. Thus, we see some scrolling effects, and we used a shadow-like impact, which therefore gives a 3D effect. We also used entrance animation. If I reload this page, this section is coming upwards. These are entrance animation that are used all over the website. So there are no posts on the blog section. As there is no blog here, we also created a contact page with a hover effect. These cards are moving upward. If we hover on any card, for the contact information, we used a save contact form in the database. So whenever the user fills their information here, an admin will record an email to his mail. So that's all for this case study. Thank you for watching this video. Are you looking to build a beautiful new website? Then you are at the right place. We deliver cutting-edge service ranging from web design, development, and maintenance. Our web design services ensures a solid user experience that has sustainability, higher audience engagement, and conversion rate. Contact Forcepole team today.